real area of expertise is classic American cars. I like keeping them stock. I like, restoring them to their full. Well, actually, not necessarily restoring them, but if they're in really clean shape, like this Buick here, I will only do the things that it needs to make it what it should be. Like there's some fiberglass repair in the back quarter panel here that I'm eventually going to tear out and replace with a real patch panel. So, that's what I really enjoy doing. I'm trying to turn my garage into kind of a vintage 50s style service station sort of thing. I've been buying all kinds of old automotive equipment like engine analyzers with the old oscilloscopes, and I'm trying to find an old distributor tester from the 50s, and I've been collecting. I have probably about almost 100 classic shop manuals from the 40s, 50s, 60s, and some through the early 80s. I've been collecting old paint chips from old body shops. Every time I go to an estate sale, I look for this stuff. So that's really my passion. It's just trying to. I don't like to buy new things. I hate buying new things. I want to do things as old-fashioned as I can, with obviously safety is a factor, and that sort of thing, and cost is a factor as well. But yes, I would definitely recommend the RPM Foundation. I have a friend who has a Mercury Cougar who. He's kind of doing this stuff on his own. He goes, I don't have any other friends that are into this, so he would definitely be interested in doing stuff through RPM Foundation. A lot of people say, well, cars are really ugly nowadays. And I said, yeah, they are, but there's a reason for it. And that's why I don't drive new cars, I love the way they work. I like, just sometimes I'll just sit out in my garage while I'm doing homework and just look at my car. It's just something I love doing.